Now to a PG&E pipe repair update. Water is now partially flowing again after months of water woes in parts of Nevada and Placer counties.
But some of the work to fix damaged equipment has now been delayed because of the active fire season. The work is happening right here. This is just west of Kingvale near Lake Spaulding. Your reporter Hunter Sowards is getting answers on the helicopter holdup now impacting repairs to the South Yuba Pipe.
For months, people living in parts of Nevada and Placer counties have voluntarily cut back on water use amid two major emergency repair projects.
From the moment we discovered damage at the powerhouse, we made it a priority.
And while partial repairs finished ahead of schedule for the Spaulding 1 powerhouse, work on the South Yuba Pipe delayed again this month.
The people who are really suffering from this are the people downstream from us, the agricultural users.
Nevada City resident Juan Thomas, one of many locals frustrated over the changing timeline for repairs. It's been months since a rock slide damaged the South Yuba Pipe. Now, part of the problem, it's taking so long to get it fixed.
The helicopters, the very heavy lift helicopters that we had reserved, got pulled for national firefighting efforts in the west due to fire activity.
PG&E spokesman Paul Moreno says crews, they need a very specific helicopter capable of lifting 17,000 pounds.
There's not a lot of these helicopters, and there's not a lot of pilots that are trained to handle these helicopters.
After a series of delays, PG&E hopes to finish mid-September. Without water flowing into Rawlins Lake for months, though, these photos show just how dry things are right now. Levels reflected in this Nevada Water District graph, showing that sharp drop since May.
We can't get a straight answer from PG&E as to what the heck is going on with the repairs up there.
Frustration boiling over at Nevada Irrigation District meetings over what Thomas says is a lack of clarity.
We ask them detailed technical questions as to what the problem is and what the cure is, and we're not getting straight answers.
A project of this nature, we may have years to do work like this, to plan it, to get it permitted, and to plan it. We literally had to do all this work simultaneously.
So we reached out to PG&E to ask if resources needed there could push that mid-September date back even more.